Hi, welcome to the Brooklyn Brothers Cooking Channel. Today we're taking a campfire approach to an old classic, Steak Pizzaiola. What we like to call it is Campfire Steak Pizzaiola. Anyway, as you can see, the setup is very simple. We have our campfire grill, we have our cast iron pot heating up, a cutting board, and you need a good knife. Today I am in Broken Bow, Oklahoma with my wife. I'm celebrating my retirement from my regular job. Now I'm going to go ahead and have to make YouTube videos full time now. All right, every once in a while I get a product that I really like. And I went ahead and got this knife. It's a 7-inch Teton edge Santoko knife. And we're going to go ahead and put this knife to work today. We got some beautiful sirloin steaks here. We did a pizzaiola video back in the past. It was with ribeyes, but this is a much more affordable option here for you. All right, now once your pan here starts to smoke, we know it's ready. So we're going to go ahead and drizzle some olive oil on there. And we're just going to place these steaks.
Woo, baby. Oh my God, it smells amazing.
All right, we just want to sear these steaks for about 2 minutes on each side, just to lock in those flavors. All right, it's been 2 minutes. Oh, look at that. All right, these steaks are ready. We're cooking these rare, basically. All right, let's go ahead and put this blade to work. It cuts with such precision. It's very sharp. Perfect. This is about a half an onion. Take about a half of bell pepper here. Go ahead and slice these up into strips. Real simple recipe, and the reason why I like cooking outdoors, I had this opportunity. We had this fire pit. My wife is the professional fire starter. She is the one that actually started this fire here. Cut some mushrooms, slice them up. This knife cuts with such precision. And it's got great ergonomics. The handle is very comfortable. The knife is well balanced. Olive oil in this pan. Perfect.
We are in the wood. Favorite place to be.
We're going to saute these vegetables until they soften up a bit.
FYI, a reminder to folks who don't cook outdoors, make sure you got coals and not a flame gun.
Right. Good advice from the fire star, for sure. All right, we're going to add a little salt. Salt these up a bit. Some black pepper. Vegetables are all softened up. Now we're going to go ahead and add our Marzano whole plum tomatoes in there. All that. A little more salt, a little more black pepper, and a nice healthy pinch of oregano. This dish originated in Naples, Italy. It originally was just tomatoes, steak, and garlic, and oregano. And then, as the Italians migrated to New York, they went ahead and added bell peppers, mushrooms, basically any pizza topping, vegetable related, they would add to this dish.
You know what I was thinking?
What's that?
Just think how good the pioneers could have been eating if they knew how to make spaghetti. They should have took some Italians with them.
That's right. And with the smoke infused, gives the tomato a nice smoky flavor. And also the steak. And that's what makes it different cooking outdoors.
And we used hickory.
Hickory dickory dock.
The man is off the clock. Oh, that that was good. I'm funny sometimes.
You are. All right, once the sauce comes to a slight simmer, we're gonna go ahead and add the steak back into it and then cook it for about 20 minutes and then it will be ready. All right, sauce has a nice simmer to it. Now we're gonna put these steaks right back into it. Oh man, this is gonna be good.
It smells so good.
No more boring campfire meals, that's for sure.
We've never had a boring campfire meal.
Now let's go ahead and put some sauce on top of here. Now we're gonna let this meat braise in this sauce here for about 20 minutes and then we'll be ready to eat. All right, it's been 10 minutes. Now we're going to flip these over and cook them for another 10 minutes. Oh yeah, all right, very nice. Beautiful. All right, make sure you have a crusty piece of bread to go with this dish to sop up all that sauce. Now, we're gonna move this over a little bit and be sure to wear mitts because this sucker is hot. Scoot that over a little bit. We're gonna start toasting up this bread here. Perfecto. Isn't that beautiful?
I wish I could smell it. Smell it.
All right, bread's all toasty. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Let's start plating this beautiful steak pizzaiola. All right. Let's get some of this beautiful sauce here. We eating good tonight.
God, that smells like a pizza.
Right?
It does. It smells like pizza. It smells amazing.
That's the oregano. It's the signature spice to a pizza.
We need to put oregano in more stuff. Oh my goodness, look at that meat. Perfect. Perfectly cooked, I guarantee it. Well, it's a lot of food for two people and two poodoos.
Well, we saved some for the bear.
Yeah.
All right, let's cut into one of these beautiful steaks here. Oh my God, this knife is so sharp. After all that cutting, it still cuts through like butter. Mmm, delicious, folks. I'm telling you, Brett. You gotta sop up that sauce. Mmm, delicious. Cooking on an open fire has been a blast. And having this pro-level life like the 7-inch Teton edge Santoko, it made it so much better. If you appreciate a precision and handcrafted knife in your cooking kit, you need this. I'll have a link in the description to the New West Knife Works website so you can check it out. Anyway, thanks for watching. Chef Dom will be here next time and we'll see you guys later. Ciao.